In this lesson, we'll be going through another theorem which says that an angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. So, the angle at center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference. So, what does this mean? It's straightforward, right? So, let's say I've got a circle and we've got this. And let's say it's A, B, C, and it's O. Alright? Okay, that's O. Let's say it's O1. So, this means that what is the angle at the circumference? Circumference is a curved part of a surface, alright? Of a circle. So the circumference is here at point A. So the angle at the circumference is the angle at point A, which is angle A. It's this one, right? So if the angle this one is X, this means that the corresponding angle at the circumference will be this one and will be 2x. You understand this? So this means that if the angle at the circumference is 20, the angle at the center will be 20 times 2, which will be 40. So make sure you understand this. And don't confuse this, okay? The one, because the angle here is below, even this one must be below O. Like they must be in the same shape. Can you see that they're in the same shape? It's like they're like this, all of them. Okay? So make sure you understand this. Don't confuse it. So similarly, for example, if it is like this, and we've got 30 at the circumference, it means we left 60 at the center. Okay? So make sure you grasp this. And it can come again in a different way. Suppose it is now given in this form. But it's still one thing, okay? So let's say it's now like this. It is often confused with one of the other, but I will show you in the other lesson. So let's say here is A. Okay, let's just use O because they use O for the center in many cases, okay? So it's A. So notice that this is the center here, and this is the circumference. It's still the same, huh? So if at A we've got 30, at the center we'll have 60. You see it? So it doesn't change regardless of how is it given. The angle at the center will be 2 times the angle at the circumference. And sometimes they will give you the angle at the center and they will want the angle at the circumference. Sorry. So you must know that the angle at the circumference is half of the one at the center. Okay? So make sure you are able to do this. And I won't prove it because it's not for exam purpose. And remember, this is the revision. So revisit your grade 11 books for clearer confirmation, okay, on how to prove the theorems and so forth. I'll just be going through them, but I won't prove them. I only proved the first one. There's the line from center theorem. Thank you for watching.